How's it going, everybody? It's your friendly. Today, we're gonna be talking about shutter speed in video. Shutter speed for video production is a lot different than shutter speed for photography. If you guys want me to make a video about that, let me know in the comments below. This is a very overlooked concept, but it's super easy to understand. And once you do it, it's gonna really improve the quality of your video. Your shutter speed should be double your frame rate. So you should be recording at 24 frames per second or 25 if you're in Europe. And the closest thing to double that is 50 shutter speed. So if you're recording in 60 frames per second, then your shutter speed is gonna be set to 120. And if your frames per second is 96, then it's gonna be 200. And if your frames per second is 120, then your shutter speed is going to be 250. So it's relatively the closest thing to double it. And the reason for that being is because you get this effect where it adds motion blur. So the few cases that you're gonna boost up your shutter speed are gonna be for fighting scenes and action sports, where it's gonna make the individuals look as if they're moving faster than they are, and it's gonna create a lot more impact. So the downfall to shooting at 50 shutter speed and 24 frames per second is that you're not gonna be able to shoot in a low aperture unless you're in a low light situation. So what you can do is you can buy a neutral density filter and you can pop that over your lens, and then you'll be able to shoot at a lower aperture while still remaining at 50 shutter speed. Just double your frame rate. Easiest thing you can possibly do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, click subscribe, and as always, keep killing it, guys.